Today we have an absolutely delicious recipe that will satisfy your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Yes, today we're diving into the world of Enoki Mushrooms. Time to introduce our Enoki Mushrooms to the party. These delicate mushrooms add a unique texture and a subtle earthy flavor. Cut the ends and let's wash thoroughly in the sink. We're gonna start by boiling an egg and heating up a pan. Then throw in this thinly skinny sliced pork belly along with some sesame oil. I love garlic and garlic aroma. How about you? Then throw some minced garlic or more and let it sizzle, releasing its aromatic fragrance. Next, we add in gochujang. Have a quick mix. Add some soy sauce and a bit of honey for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Then this is just optional. To elevate this dish to another level, we can add more chili powder. Yeah. Next, let's have Enoki mushrooms. Enjoy the party into the pan. Time to add some water and some more. And lastly, add the rice cake to the pan and gently mix it with the mushroom and pork belly mixture. Watch as the rice cake absorbs all the flavors, becoming delightfully chewy and irresistible. Let it simmer to soak up all the goodness, the spiciness, and the deliciousness. Hey yo, also our egg is ready. Let's do the final taste. Oh yes, this is perfect. Yo, it's ready! Yes, that is correct. Let me show you how it looks. Ta-da! Here they are! Don't forget the final touch, a generous sprinkle of sesame seeds for that extra crunch and nuttiness. Oh yes, our medium-boiled egg. What do you say? It's beautiful, right? Pure perfection. Yeah, there you have it, folks. A tantalizing Enoki mushroom rice cake that's sure to impress your taste buds. So, grab your chopstick and dig in. Perfect! The combination of the tender pork belly, the earthy Enoki mushrooms, and the chewy rice cake creates a party in my mouth. And surely the level of spiciness kicked my tongue, but I love it! Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, surely I need to practice more my chopstick skills. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Until next time, happy cooking and bye!